In this video, I'll show you how to use a 100% complete Forza Horizon 4 save game in offline mode. Check my video description for this mod link. Just right click and select pen drawer and select extract to. Once extract done, press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data, open roaming, open SteamEmu, random number, remote. Select one of these file and right click and select rename. Copy this user ID. Once you copied, minimize this. Open this save game. Open the remote. Select this to name and then scroll down to the bottom and you can able to see 4 files. You need to change all these 4 files user ID. Right click, rename, paste the user ID we copied and press enter. Do the same thing for other 3. Once you're done, open the save game location where we previously minimized. Go back, copy the remote, and this is where game progress. Copy and paste it in another location to save our previous game progress. Once you're done, right click on the remote and select delete option. You can drag and drop this remote inside this folder. You can now launch the game. As you can see, the save loads successful. Now you need to select this drive option. Now you can enjoy the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.